To set up mobile hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy S26, go to the settings, open connections, and now go for mobile hotspot and tethering. Now select the mobile hotspot, and before you turn it on, you can customize a lot of things. First of all, you can change name of your hotspot by clicking just over here. By the way, it will also open all the settings. So as you can see, you can change name of the hotspot, you can change password of the hotspot, and you can change the band. So when you click on this information icon, you can find a short description. For example, if you set 5 or 6 hertz, then devices that doesn't actually support this won't be able to connect because they will be not able to find your Wi-Fi hotspot. So to connect all devices, make sure that you are gonna stay with 2.4. Here you can also change the security option. I will highly recommend you to go for the WPA3. It's more secure, but also some devices doesn't support it. So sometimes you have to go for the lower security. Here you can also change the MAC address type. You can also find that option to turn off hotspot when no device is connected for 20 minutes. So if you want to get your hotspot all the time, you will have to select never timeout. You can even hide the name of your hotspot for some reason. And you can turn on to support Wi-Fi 6 standard. Below some other options, even you can share your phone's Wi-Fi. To apply everything, you have to click save. And now, as you can see, you can also enable or disable the auto hotspot. But now when you click on this switcher, the hotspot will turn on. And now if I want to connect a second phone into this a Samsung Galaxy S26 hotspot, I have to just click on the QR code, grab my phone and open the QR code scanner. And now I have to just scan this QR code. And as you can see, it will allow me to connect just like this. It's like super simple. You can also save this as an image and send to someone, or you can use a share button and also share with someone.